Hello, everyone. Welcome to Research Hub. You already have a research topic, but when your supervisor asks, "Now write the research problem," most students get stuck. They don't know what to write, where to start, or what information to include. The good news is, you don't have to do it alone. In this video, I'll show you how to use AI to write a professional research problem step by step, using a real research example. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to write a research problem that's ready for your thesis or proposal. Let's get started. Before using AI, you need to understand what a research problem actually is. A research topic tells us what we want to study. A research problem explains why the study is necessary. Think about it this way. If your topic is the impact of AI-powered recruitment systems on recruitment effectiveness in organizations, your research problem answers questions like, why is this important? What issue exists? What is missing in current research? Why should anyone care about this study? A strong research problem convinces readers that your research is worth doing. Now let's use ChatGPT. Instead of asking it to write the research problem immediately, first ask it to explain the topic. This helps you understand the background before you begin writing. Act as an experienced PhD research supervisor. My research topic is the impact of AI-powered recruitment systems on recruitment effectiveness in organizations, the mediating role of employee trust. Explain why this topic is important, current industry trends, major challenges, why organizations are adopting AI-powered recruitment systems. A research problem should never be based only on AI. It should be supported by real academic literature. Now we'll use Google Scholar. Search AI-powered recruitment systems. Look at the latest studies. Read the abstracts. Notice what researchers are discussing. Now, let's use Consensus AI. Open one relevant research paper. Click Ask AI. Instead of reading every page, ask AI to identify limitations, future research directions, research gaps. This saves hours of manual reading. Write, based on this research paper, identify research limitations, future research directions, possible research gaps. Explain in simple academic language. Now we have everything we need. We understand the topic, the background, existing studies, research gaps. Now let's ask ChatGPT to write a professional research problem. Act as an experienced academic researcher. Write a professional research problem for the impact of AI-powered recruitment systems on recruitment effectiveness in organizations, the mediating role of employee trust. Requirements. Start with the background. Explain the current problem. Support it using recent research trends. Identify the research gap. Explain why this study is important. Write in formal academic language. Length 300 to 400 words. AI gives you a strong first draft, but don't submit it without reviewing it. Always verify the facts, check the references, improve the wording, add recent citations, match your university's writing style. Think of AI as your research assistant, not your final author. Write. Improve this research problem. Make it more academic. Improve coherence. Remove repetition. Keep it suitable for a master's or PhD thesis. Congratulations! You now know how to write a professional research problem using AI, from understanding the topic to identifying the research gap and generating a polished draft. In the next video, we'll use this same research problem to create research objectives, research questions, and hypotheses with AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.